And while that's loading, we'll take a look. Here we go. All right. So basically, all I did is I took all the tests, right? And I selected so many from each test. I believe it's what, 4? There's 2 tests, so it's what, 10 and 10? And so these are questions that either are straight from the other tests or very much like that questions from the other tests. So from tests 1 and 2, okay, we haven't had test 3 yet. So we're only talking about chapters 3 and 9, okay? So let's take a look. Any questions with the first one? Decide whether or not the following is a statement. Statement is either true or false, right? So any questions with the first one? How about the second one? Write a negation. Do we need any questions about negations? Number 3, decide whether the statement is compound or not. So compound has what in between? Statement and then what in between? Or. And, or, yeah, if then, right? So no questions with 3. How about questions with 4? Convert the symbolic compound statement into words. P represents it is raining. Q represents it is windy in Boston. It is raining. P represents it is raining in Chicago. Q represents it is windy in Boston. Do we need to see 4, or are we good there? What does the V look symbol mean? Or, right? It means or. What does the arrow mean? If then. If R, then P and Q, right? Do we need to see number 5? Okay, we're going to keep going. How about 6? Construct a truth table. Okay, how about 7? Rewrite the statement using if then. If it is a cat, then it can chase mice. Okay, that's pretty easy. Tell whether the conditional statement is true or false. Let's go over something about truth tables real quick. All right. We've got P, Q, P, and Q, right? True, 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 false, false, true, false, false, right? P and Q is true only when both are true. If P and Q is false, if P is true, Q is false, right? False, 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 right? Questions there. What if it's or? If it's or, now what?
True, true, false.
Yeah, you only need one or the other, right? The only one that's false is when
you say I'm wrong.
Yeah, they're both false, right? All the others are true, true, true. Okay.
I thought the first one was false. So true is false.
True. This is true, true, true. If it's or, you only need one or the other. Okay. For or.
That's what I'm saying. You only need one or the other. True, true, true.
What's that?
If you only need one or the other, how is true, true, true?
Because if P is true, Q is true, then P or Q is true. If P is true, Q or false, P or Q is true. If P is false, Q is true, P or Q is still true. If P is false and Q is false, that's one that's false. Okay?
Okay.
So, for or. Now if you're looking at if then, right? Now the only one that's false is what? A lie. Which one is the only one that's false? If true, then false, right? All the others are true. If your friend says he's going to the party and he goes to the party, he said the truth. If he said he's going to the party but he doesn't go to your party, he lied, right? That's false. If he said, no, I can't go, but then he shows up and said, oh, hey, you know, things changed. That's not a lie, right? He said, so that's considered true. And if he says he's not going to go and he doesn't go, that's not a lie either. So that's a true statement. Okay. All right. So we'll stop here and we'll continue on Tuesday. What? One more? Yeah. Sure. Okay. Now this one here, 9 less than 5, right? If 9 is less than 5, is that true or false? 9. So we want to know, is this true or false? So basically 9, this is P and this is Q. If P